Hi everybody and welcome back to It's Elementary STEM Projects with the Eaton Public Library. Today we're going to be playing around with sound a little bit by making our very own panpipes and adjustable flute. So these are a really fun project and they don't take much time. Let's get at it. If you picked up the kit from the library, you should have 5 paper wrapped straws as well as 2 normal straws, some tape, and you will also need a ruler and some scissors. To make the panpipes, go ahead and take your 4 straws and unwrap them. Once you have the 4 straws unwrapped, go ahead and take one of them and cut it down to be 7 inches long. And set it aside. Take the next straw, cut it down to be 6 inches long, and then with the remaining piece, cut it down to be 1 inch long. With the next 2 straws, cut one of them to be 5 inches long, and with the remaining piece, cut it to be 2 inches long. Take the last straw and cut it to be 3 and 4 inches long. Take a piece of tape, lay it sticky side up on your work surface. And then take your pieces of straw and arrange them from smallest to largest. Go ahead and wrap the tape around them. There you have it. In order to play the pipes, blow across them. Not in, but across. The different lengths of pipes will make different noises. For the second project, we're going to be making a variable tune flute. Go ahead and take one of your straws and flatten down the end. Trim the end to a double point. Like that. Next, you're going to want to bite the end so the 2 pieces stay close together. Like that. This can now be played. In order to change the pitch of your straw, when you play it, cut a very small hole out of your straw in order to be able to put your finger over it. That will allow you to change the pitch when you move your fingers. This may be one of the more annoying projects that we've made if you're on the listening end, but it sure is fun. Getting the straws to work right takes a little bit of practice. In order to changing the tunes, you can snip pieces off the end of the straw. You can attempt adding a straw, either by adding a straw that can be slid over the top, or you can take a piece of the same size straw, and in order to slide it inside, just make a little slit in the straw, curl it a little bit, and slide it inside to make a much larger straw. This will allow you to experiment with different lengths of pitches for your thing. And you'll find that you have to blow on it in different ways. Hope you enjoy these. Go ahead and have fun with your homemade flutes, trombones, and panpipes. Talk to you later.